And I'm gonna hit the M, and this is gonna bring us into the deviations that this thing can do, because this really is like a catch-all device, and it'll go away very quickly if you don't. First one is games. So if I select this, you have individual pixel art games that you can do, and these are all accessible through the app as well. So here we have, this one's a Tetris one, so if you use the toggle to select, you can select, and then obviously not too good at that particular game. Select again and we'll come across. This is actually a casino one. You can kind of hear it's doing dice or slots in the background. That one's a dice one. That's a Magic 8-Ball. This one is a blocker game, so if you've ever played these way back when. So you've got pixel-based games, and there are a lot of other ones. So that was the blocker one. There's a Flappy Bird-esque one, Snake, matching colors, all that fun, happy stuff. So we'll go back. Next is your coloring. So if I select this, you can start coloring. You would use your arrow keys here and then the select to fill in the color. So it's neat premise that way. Here we go, we'll select this one. This is more of your features, so you've got scoreboard, stopwatch, decibel meter, timer, and then back. And all of it in this pixel art thing. And it did take me a while to figure out what all of these mean. It's actually easier to understand what these are through the application. So this one's a clock, so if you wanted to set the clock yourself instead of having it rely on your Bluetooth via your phone, that's how you would do that. And last but not least is music. So you can select this either via Bluetooth or SD card just simply by selecting. And because this is a Bluetooth speaker, you can play music from any screen that you want.